Hey guys, welcome back to Frosty Pine Labs. So last time I was out in the bush, you saw that I was using the ram sets with the pellets and I got it messed up. So inside my chamber, it actually deformed a bit. I used a swage. It's like an iron that you sort of bring it back to true with for 22 sizing. And I think it worked. So today we're going to test a little bit, just the accuracy on the little badger. We're going to sight in 10 yards, 25 yards. We're going to shoot from 50. If we can get out to 75, I'm not sure about the area we're at. But I know there's at least 50 here. So during the ice storm, we had some stuff go bad in the fridge, especially some eggs. So I brought the eggs out. As you can see here at the target, we set up our egg. We got our GoPro. We have our gongs for accuracy, and we can hear it make noise from when we hit. So yeah, we're gonna see if it's still accurate after retruing or swaging the chamber on this. And we're gonna go in from 10 yards, 25 yards and 50 yards to see if we can hit an egg. All right, so you're standing at target now. This will be the distance. This is our first shot where we're sighting in about 10 yards. This is 25 yards. And lastly, we'll be shooting out here at 50. So those are the three distances, and maybe we'll get to 75 if we're lucky, but I think this is probably about as far as we're gonna get to go today. So yeah, we'll see if the little badger here is good at all three distances. Alright guys, so first off, today I'm going to be shooting the Quiet 22 segmented HP hollow point 22 by CCI. They're traveling about 710 feet per second. We'll try those. First I'm going to put one onto gong so you can hear it actually hit. Second, we'll shoot the egg for the cool effect. I also have some Winchester Varmint HE and some Lapua long distance. Oh, super long range, sorry, the Lapua super long range. So we'll try a couple of these, maybe get a decibel reading later and see how accurate they are. So our first two shots here, I'm going to put one on gong at 10 yards just to make sure we're accurate. Because after I swaged it, I just want to make sure it even makes sense. So just on target from here, we slap pretty good, it hit. Next up, we're going to aim for the egg. And this ejected well, no scratches on the casing, so it looks like the swage did work, which I'm excited about. So second round in, we'll aim for the egg. And we got it at 10 yards. All right, next up we're at 25 yards here. We're gonna see first, put one on gong, and then second shot will be on egg. Just on target from here. All right, gong worked. Next up we're gonna aim for the egg. The little badger seems to be doing okay. Not bad for a $200 survival gun. Pretty accurate for what it is. Now here's the money shot, see if we can get the egg. I think we got the egg as well. Perfect. All right, here we are at 50. We'll see if we can put one on target on the red gong, and then we'll see if we can hit the egg. So first up, red gong. All right, I heard it hit, so I think we're on target for that. And then next up, we have the egg. So let's see if we can put one on egg. Although this is kind of a tricky shot from here. Let me lower my sight just a tidbit. See if we can get it. Nope, I hit the stump beside the egg. I'll try another shot. See if we can get it from 50 here. I think I just slapped the egg, so I think we got it. Perfect. Oh, hey guys, we forgot to film the outro yesterday for the little badger accuracy test. So it was impressive to see that it did well at 10 yards, 25 yards, 50 yards. Able to smack the egg, able to smack the gong. Surprisingly accurate. I think swaging really helped, where I rounded out the chamber to 22 again after the ram set incident. But yeah, big fan of my little Badger, and surprisingly accurate again. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Until next time, take care.